Hey guys, did you want to see my squishes? Okay, let's go. This is my squishes, but this box is blocking the squishes inside. So let's push this crown to open it. And so I will one by one it. Okay. First, marami. Next, next this one because I don't know her. Next, my favorite melody. And the last one is Cinema Roll. Bye-bye.